how to buy pump token on Bitget. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now first of all, make sure to log into your account in Bitget. Now to be able to buy this token on your account, now go here and head over to this search icon and click on it. You will be able to find this search bar. Now type pump like that, and you will be able to find your token from here. Click on this pair. After that, wait a few seconds to load the page that you can trade that token on it. So it may take some time, and as you can see, now you can buy the token. Make sure to select the buy, not the sell, because we want to buy this token on our account. Now select the limit. Here set the quantity that you want to buy of that token, and here you will be able to see the total. This is how much you will be paid of the USDT on your account. And after that, if you are ready to go, now click on buy pump, and in a few seconds to a few minutes, this token will be added to your funds on your account. Now if you prefer to pay or to buy with market option, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token. Click on buy pump. So this is how to buy pump token on Bitget. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.